it still works, so that's good. So you might notice our scenery is a little bit different.
A little greener, a little less houses.
There's even a fire behind us, like we're real
Yeah.
campers.
It's not propane. I don't want to brag.
We finally left Ohio after 2 months of my sister's driveway, and we came here to Watkins Glen State Park, and we just have some amazing stuff in store for you guys, so let's get into it.
We're finally outside again. It's crazy.
Hello.
He acts like we didn't spend like literally every single moment of every day outside for the most part in the last 2 months.
It's different when you're in a driveway. So we are at Watkins Glen State Park. We are staying in the park, which the awesome thing about that is you can walk to the gorge trail, so you don't have to fight parking lots or any of that. So let's see how that goes.
What do you do?
All right, guys, you ready to go on this? So I'm just going to apologize for the video that's about to commence for the amount of B-roll that is going to be in it. If you have never been here before, this place is stunning. I mean, every foot is something different that is just incredibly beautiful.
Great hack about coming to Watkins Glen and staying in the state park is that we get really easy access to the trail and we can hit it early in the morning. Nobody else is here. We get to experience this by ourselves. When we came in here yesterday, the town was crawling with people and we were like, oh my gosh, we're gonna be like, Stuart likes to say, butts to you-know-whats, but come early, enjoy the hike without anybody else here.
Yeah, so we're at like one of the main areas. Like we are standing on like a main bridge and there is nobody here. So totally come here early in the morning before the tour buses drop people off. Are you guys taking a shower over here?
Yeah, the shower.
Yeah. Hey Matt, what is this place?
I don't know. I know. Watkins Glen.
Is it
Watkins Glen.
is it epic?
Yeah.
on this trail that's not absolutely spectacular. From the moment you step onto it, everything is just incredible, from the natural beauty that just exists here and just the sheer beauty of the trail that they built with these stones and just the way the moss is growing through it. And oh, it's just epic. I can't even describe it.
Is this not short person friendly?
You might have to duck.
Echo! 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 There's an echo!
What?
Echo!
Nope, we're good.
Echo! There's an echo! 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 Echo!
Hear the power of that water rushing.
Kind of like,
Wow.
kind of like Disney Canyon.
Oh man.
It's kind of like Canyon.
That was unexpected.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness!
Exactly. So we completely messed up and went the wrong way and got to do this.
It's like you keep thinking, how can this get any better? And then it does get better.
So somehow my microphone apparently got disconnected. So we lost all our audio in this part. But what we wanted to kind of tell you guys about was we are on the search for getting good quality homegrown fruits, vegetables, and meat. So we are going to be in search of farm fresh things all over the country, and we're going to try to bring you guys along for it and really show you guys how to find it so you guys can get quality things. And we are going to be comparing those to Walmart, Aldi, all the other type of stores out there, just to kind of show that honestly the going the farm route really isn't any more expensive than going to Walmart or those other big box stores, and you're getting quality controlled food.
I said I was going to share what we got at the markets today. We went to a creamery, and so we got some raw milk and cheese, and I can tolerate raw milk without getting a stomach ache. So for whatever that's worth, if you have a hard time with dairy, you might be able to tolerate raw dairy. I prepped our veggies for dinner already, so that's why they're in foil, because I just totally forgot I was going to share it with you guys. We got some local organic garlic, and if you don't know about where our garlic comes from that we buy in the grocery store, definitely look into that one. Or don't, if you don't want to know. So I got some yellow squash, which is one of my favorites, but nobody else in my family really likes it. everyone loves corn, so local sweet corn, yellow watermelons, we already ate one of them, some homegrown little tomatoes. That's what we got today. All of this in total was about $60, and then before we left, we went to a local farm that we really liked getting meat from, and we stocked up on at least probably like a month's worth of meat there, some locally farmed grass and pasture raised meats. If you want to continue watching us go on this journey of finding better foods for us on the road, make sure you follow us. We found a lot of these places using Google or Facebook Marketplace to kind of figure out where to go to get the goods.
So a huge misconception with living in an RV is that everybody thinks that we do this every single day, and that's definitely not the case. But tonight we are going to be cooking corn and bratwurst and all of our vegetables over the fire, mostly because we came here having no clue that we had 0 hookups. So we went from a driveway to boondocking, but we're going to make the best of it. So we're going to throw the corn on here now once this thing gets heated up, and then we'll get all the other stuff thrown on. Now you got a handle.
Good? So are you camping?
This is embarrassing.
Is this what campers
No, people
do?
think I know how to cook. This is embarrassing. This is how you burn everything because you didn't set a nice coal bed, because wood is $7 a bundle. So, yeah, we're just going straight flamage.
Mommy, I got a lot of garbage.
It's gonna taste good.
Then we left all of our tongs.
Yeah, please don't burn those. Look, you're burning it. It's burning.
Good morning. So we are heading from Watkins Glen today up to Ontario, Lake Ontario. We're going to be staying up there at 1,000 Trails Parks for about a week, and we're going to be heading to Eastern New York after that. First, got to cook some breakfast. We just got this. It's a Jetboil Genesis stove, and the only reason I bought this thing was because Nathan bought it and took it to Mexico, and we used it a lot there. It's awesome. Super strong, pack's tiny, downside, it's expensive, but it is what it is, and we have a lot of future plans for this. But we're cooking some farm fresh sausage and then some farm fresh eggs as well for breakfast before hitting the road.
We stopped at this donut shop. Well, we should say I stopped at it, got out of the truck and ran over here because when we passed it around lunchtime yesterday, they said they were sold out for the day. So Stuart said, oh, they must be good. I can't even eat donuts. This is literally all they had left today. So it's like, I guess Stuart will tell you if they're good or not.
What's that?
We'll see how this donut is.
Mommy, I'll tell you if the old-fashioned's good. Mommy, is the raspberry over there?
It's a good donut. I'm not even a huge powdered sugar fan. Parked on the side of the road.
You want an old-fashioned, buddy?
No, I want a circle.
You can have this one. It's not. Oh, they're half and half. Oh, the raspberry and cream split. I was surprised. Ma'am.
Lemon?
Sorry, I keep looking at the screen because I just keep seeing all the powdered sugar on my face. But Toby's Donut, Watkins Glen, definitely recommend it. Get there early so you have a better variety. But they're tasty. Thanks for watching, guys. It has been wonderful getting back out on the road. We should start having more content now. 2 months in one location, I ran out of things to kind of do. So we're back on the road. We're back out getting things done. And we are going to be, back to getting one video up a week. And until next week, guys, keep dreaming.